Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make vegan gummy bears. First, let's talk about the key ingredient, agar-agar powder. Unlike traditional gelatin, agar-agar is derived from seaweed, making it completely plant-based. You'll typically need about 2 tablespoons of agar-agar powder for every 1 cup of liquid to achieve that perfect gummy texture. It's a fantastic alternative that sets firmly at room temperature, giving your treats a delightful chewiness without any animal products. Next, gather your flavor components. You'll need 1 cup of your favorite fruit juice. Apple, cherry, or orange work wonderfully for vibrant colors and natural sweetness. To adjust the sweetness, add 2 to 3 tablespoons of maple syrup or agave nectar. For that classic gummy tang, a 1/4 teaspoon of citric acid is essential. You can also enhance the visual appeal with a few drops of natural food coloring, if desired, to make them truly pop. Now let's get cooking. In a small saucepan, combine your 1 cup of fruit juice, 2 tablespoons of agar-agar powder, and your chosen sweetener. Bring this mixture to a gentle boil over medium heat, stirring continuously for about 2 minutes to ensure the agar-agar fully dissolves. Remove the pan from the heat, then stir in the 1/4 teaspoon of citric acid and any natural food coloring. Carefully pour the warm liquid into your silicone gummy bear molds. Finally, it's time for setting and enjoying your delicious creations. Allow the filled molds to sit at room temperature for approximately 30 minutes, or if you're eager to taste them sooner, pop them into the refrigerator for just 15 minutes. Once completely firm, gently pop the vegan gummy bears out of their molds. Store these delightful treats in an airtight container at room temperature for up to 1 week, or refrigerate them for an even longer shelf life.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.